Zach is dazed in the early going at Priscilla. Great.
Yeah, one gets to.
Oh, wait a minute!
Up to see.
And
You get paid per match, so of course each one wants to bring home the bacon. Oh, the tag team tournament. Oh, what a show!
yeah.
Just with different partners, different. We shall see. Oh my God! Did you hear that, Joe?
Zach felt it. Zachary went sufficiently worn down to not be able to counter. How disappointment! Imagine the heartbreak. Standing side switch by Priscilla. Off the head spin. Could be UFO cutter. Yes!
He got her!